This is the solution to WEX 222. Alright, so for this one, there is no solution. For this one, there's no solution because, there's no solution because the output of absolute value is never negative. So there's no W you can provide and then evaluate that and compute absolute value. That will give you an answer of -8. For this one, let's get the 10 over there and see what it looks like after we do that. So 7z minus 2 over 4 in absolute value is equal to 10. So is this the kind of absolute value equation that's satisfiable? It is, because you're asking what could I put inside of that absolute value so that 10 would come out? Well, either a 10 or a -10 would work. So the possibilities split. Either 7z minus 2 over 4 is -10, or 7z minus 2 over 4 is +10. So maybe 7z minus 2 is -40, or 7z minus 2 is 40. Adding 2 to both sides, 7z could be -38, or 7z could be 42. So z could be -38 over 7, or z could be 6. Solve the following in C. That is to say, in the complex numbers. Alright, so concerning this, it says we're going to square something and get -25. So if we were dealing with reals, a real exercise, that is to say an exercise occurring in the set of real numbers, this equation would have no solution, because there's nothing that squares to become -25. However, we're working in the set of complex numbers, where there is something that squares to -25. So this just splits in the usual way. So then we have 6c minus 7 could be negative square root of -25, or 6c minus 7 could be square root -25. Alright, so let's simplify this a little bit. 6c minus 7 could be negative. Well, the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of -1 is I. So then, this is 5i. Or 6c minus 7 is 5i. So the right-hand side is either going to need to be -5i or +5i. Alright, so then adding 7 to both sides, 6c could be 7 minus 5i, or 6c could be 7 plus 5i. So c could be 6/7, 7/6. 7/6 minus 5/6 I, or C could be 7/6 plus 5/6 I.